Black fungus is a nutritious edible fungus with a sweet taste and mild nature. It has the effects of nourishing qi and improving intelligence, moistening the lungs and brain, promoting blood circulation and stopping bleeding. Ginger is warm in nature, and its unique gingerol can stimulate the gastrointestinal mucosa and enhance digestion. It can effectively treat abdominal distension, abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, etc., caused by eating too much cold food. Red dates have the effects of replenishing deficiency, replenishing qi, nourishing blood, and calming the nerves, strengthening the spleen and stomach, etc. Let's cook black fungus red date soup. This sweet soup is delicious. I fell in love with it the first time I made it. Goji berries, black fungus, red dates remove seeds. Add in all ingredients and put it into boil. Season the soup after simmering for 30 minutes. Add rock sugar to taste. Red dates black fungus soup is done. Red dates is famous with the effect of replenishing qi and blood, and they have always been a good nutritional supplement. It has a long history and was listed as one of the 5 fruits in ancient times. Black fungus also has the effect of replenishing blood. The stew of the 2 ingredients can replenish blood and qi. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, y'all. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Fried eggs are very common and everyone can make them, but with this sauce will immediately enhance the taste to another level of deliciousness. Don't say I didn't share it. Remember to save the recipe. It's really delicious. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I fell in love with this sweet and sour egg the first time I made it. It tastes great and really goes well with rice. The sauce tastes salty sweet with mild sourness of black vinegar is an unforgettable taste you will fall in love with. Eggs are rich in protein, fat, vitamins, iron, calcium, potassium, and other minerals needed by the human body. The protein is high-quality protein and has a repairing effect on liver tissue damage. B. Eggs contain more vitamin B and other trace elements which can decompose and oxidize carcinogens in the human body and have anti-cancer effects. Eggs. One teaspoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 tablespoons black vinegar, 1 teaspoons cornstarch powder, 3 tablespoons water. Mix well. Let's fried egg. Flip only once the bottom solidified. Repeat the step for remaining eggs. Keep some oil to stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add sweet sour sauce. Simmer and let it boil. 1. Add fried eggs and let it simmer, with low flame for 1 minute. Plate fried egg. Delicious sweet and sour fried egg is done. This sweet sour fried egg is so delicious and super easy to make. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now, and when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page, as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you. If you are willing, please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, yeah. Pickles are vegetables that are pickled for a certain period of time with salt and other seasonings. They have a strong salty taste and can be stored for a long time. 7. Corn contains 7 kinds of anti-aging agents that can effectively prevent and treat constipation, enteritis, intestinal cancer, heart disease, and other diseases. Let's boil salty vegetables corn soup together. Corn, tomatoes, salty vegetable, sliced salty vegetable, Cubes tomatoes. Corn cut into sections. Pour all ingredients into pot. Cover the lid and cook for 30 minutes. Soup is cooked. Optional to season with salt to taste. I just have my soup plain without seasoning. Hot bowl of salty vegetable corn soup is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my channel. I have more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube channel. If you don't know what to cook, just check it out for inspiration. There must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just read it and look for inspiration. And don't forget to save the recipes. I'm afraid you won't be able to find me if you slide away. There is salty vegetable tofu soup recipe too. Do check it out too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.